Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have also written.
Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
so tell me the answer for this one.
Ma'am, W plus 1.
Yes, Arohi, what is your answer?
Ma'am, W plus 1.
Okay. Now this one.
W
Ma'am,
plus 1.
W minus 6.
Huh?
Ma'am, W minus 6.
W minus 6. Very good.
Ma'am, W minus 7. And W minus 8.
So have you all understood कि अगर एक नंबर को हम लेटर से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं तो बाकी नंबर्स को भी we can represent that by the letter only. ठीक है, clear?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't understood how to solve the first column.
How to solve the first column? See beta, W minus 1 is 19. Now if I go to W minus, sorry, see 20 is equals to W and I want 14. I want 14. So what will I do? यहाँ पर 20 रख दो W की जगह पर और 14 रख दो, ठीक है. Now this 14 will come to the minus part. तो आप लिख दोगे 14 minus 20 या 20 minus 14. Sorry. 20 minus 14. What will you get? You will get 6. So W minus 6 होगा. बेटा 20 में से 14 माइनस करो. What will you get? Tell me.
Ma'am, 6.
6. So when you minus W is 20 and when you minus 6 from 20 you get 14 which is the same number. अब यहाँ पर भी 20 है W और 20 minus 7 which is 13. So आपका 13 आ गया. अब आपको ये नंबर्स बनाने हैं बट W लगाना है उसमें. W means 20. आप 20 के हेल्प से ये सारे नंबर्स लिख सकते हो. क्लियर हुआ?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other
Ma'am,
doubt?
no, ma'am. Ma'am, why did you skip the question 6?
What is the question 6?
Ma'am, describe situation corresponding to the following elaborate.
बेटा इन दैट क्वेश्चन वी डोंट हैव टू सॉल्व एनीथिंग. उसमें आपको स्टोरी बनानी है, कोई सिचुएशन बनानी है. जैसे कि सी कल मैंने कोकोनट और जैगरी वाला, इसमें यू डोंट हैव टू सॉल्व एनीथिंग, यू हैव टू डिस्क्राइब अ सिचुएशन इस इक्वेशन के रिलेटेड. जैसे कल मैंने जैगरी और कोकोनट वाला आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड राइट दैट 8 किलो जैगरीज एक्स की जगह पर आप वो नंबर लिख दोगे. ठीक है. सी
Yes,
सॉरी,
ma'am.
8 रुपीज प्राइस है पर कोकोनट का. अब कितने कोकोनट है दैट इज एक्स. नाउ 3 रुपीज इज द प्राइस फॉर पर केजी जैगरी एंड हाउ मेनी किलो जैगरी इज देयर दैट इज वाई. क्लियर हुआ? उस तरह से आपको ऐसे
Yeah.
सिचुएशन बनानी है इस इक्वेशन पे. चलो, व्हाट इज द अदर इक्वेशन? 15 into j minus 2 into k. Tell me any other situation that you can.
Ma'am, can I?
हाँ, you can. बेटा चलो बताओ.
Assume you have assume you have 1 kg of 1 kg of 1 kg of jaggery is 10 rupees. So the J kg of jaggery will be how much?
No, 1 kg of jaggery is 15 rupees. तो 20 ये this is how many kgs of jaggery. तो ये आप j से रिप्रेजेंट कर दो. Then 2 is the number is the amount of coconut. One coconut is of 2 rupees. तो अब k coconuts का प्राइस 2 into k होगा.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
सी इसमें आप कोकोनट वाला नहीं लगा सकते हो बिकॉज यहाँ पर टोटल कॉस्ट नहीं बतानी है. यहाँ पर सब्सट्रैक्ट हो रहा है, इतने में से इतना सब्सट्रैक्ट हो रहा है. सी शॉपकीपर को सपोजिंगली आपने मांगा शॉपकीपर से, यू हैव अराउंड 15 नोट्स ऑफ 100 रुपीज. आपके पास कितनी है? 15 नोट्स हैं. 15 नोट्स ऑफ कितना, कोई भी रुपीज, ठीक है. तो वो
यस मैम.
यहाँ पर चलो आप 100 रुपीज ले लो, ठीक है, कितना भी हो सकता है. आपने यहाँ पर 100 ले लिया. आप टू नोट्स ऑफ के रुपीज, 2 नोट्स ऑफ 50 ले लो, ठीक है. नाउ यू गेव शॉपकीपर दिस मच एंड आपको शॉपकीपर ने इतना दिया. So now you have to subtract this amount with this amount and you will get the amount जो आपका बचा, the amount you are left with. See, supposingly you gave the shopkeeper 1500 rupees and he returned you 100 rupees. तो अब आपको समझ आ गया, मैंने बताया ना 50. और चलो एग्जाम्पल के लिए हमने ये ले लिया है 15 into 100 minus 50 into, sorry, 2 into 50. 2 into 50. Now tell me what is 15 into 100. So Diksha. So Diksha, tell me what is 15 into 100.
Ma'am, can I tell?
हाँ, you can.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, 15,000.
1500 only, not 15,000. Minus 2 into 50 is?
Ma'am, 100.
100. Okay. Now, what are you left with? How much amount are you left with? You are left with 1400, right?
Yeah.
Yes ma'am.
तो इस तरह से इक्वेशन डिस्क्राइब करनी थी इसको उस क्वेश्चन में. दैट इज ऑल वर्बल क्वेश्चंस and that is why I left those questions. Okay.
Ma'am, it will come in exam.
That though I don't know. I don't think so that will come in exam, but you can ask your teacher that questions like this is asked or not.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
चलो, यहां पर आपको जो मिस्टेक है उसको ठीक करना है. यू हैव टू मेंड द मिस्टेक. See, if we solve this equation, see here a is given as -4. A is given as -4. अब उस -4 को हम ये वाली पोजीशन पे रखते हैं. -4 is given as A and tell me, will the answer comes as 6?
Yeah.
No, answer can never come 6. How? Because this
Ma'am,
is
the answer is 14.
the answer will come 14 because this is minus and this is minus. When minus and minus is multiplied, I have already told you minus and minus
मैंने
is
कौन सा
equals to
चैप्टर है?
plus. Write this very carefully in your notebooks and learn that. Minus into minus is plus.
मैम, ये कौन सा चैप्टर है?
This is arithmetic expressions using letter numbers. Minus into minus is equals to plus and plus into, sorry, minus into plus is equals to minus then plus into minus is also minus, and plus into plus is plus. Learn and write this very carefully and then tell me.
Okay, ma'am. Wrote.
Last में बता दूँ. अच्छा बेटा, there will be no class tomorrow. ठीक है? I have some personal problems and I have to I cannot take the class tomorrow, so tomorrow is छुट्टी. ठीक है?
And ma'am, on Saturday, day
No,
after
there
tomorrow.
will be class on Saturday, only tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone have listened, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Arohi, have you understood what I said just now?
Yes, ma'am.
There will be no class tomorrow. I have some personal problem. Okay, chalo. What is minus into minus?
Ma'am, minus into minus plus.
Yes. What is minus into plus?
Ma'am, minus.
Minus. Plus into minus is also minus, and plus into plus is plus. Now look here what is happening. This is minus into minus. ये ब्रैकेट के बाद कोई भी साइन नहीं है, which means ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है. कोई भी साइन इन द सेंस कि ब्रैकेट ओपन होता तो ये माइनस माइनस प्लस होके वो हो जाता, बट दिस विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड. दिस ब्रैकेट मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ द number given in the bracket. If any number is in the bracket, that number is in multiplication. ठीक है?
Yeah, ma'am.
See, if it is written like this, which means this is 10 into 2. अगर कोई भी number ऐसे bracket में लिखा है किसी number के साथ, that means that number is in multiplication with the other number. Clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Now look here. Now we will not multiply 10 with 4. What will we do? We will multiply this minus sign with this. So minus 4 into minus will be plus 4. Now tell me, will the answer be 6?
No, ma'am.
No, the answer will be 14. So you have to correct the mistake. What is the mistake over here? यहाँ पर क्या एक चीज अगर हम ठीक कर ले, so our answer will come as 6 only. If we remove this minus, हमारा आंसर सही हो जाएगा ना?
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Will our answer be correct? Then 10 minus 4 is 6.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Understood? समझ आया? So what is the mistake over here? We have to remove the minus sign from the from A. जो A दिया है minus 4 will not be the correct answer. That will be 4. Clear?
Yeah,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
समझ नहीं आया.
See, so Diksha, 10 minus question में दिया था if A is equals to minus 4, then what was the question? 10 minus A. 10 minus A is equals to 6. Question में बोला गया है कि अगर A is minus 4 तो 10 minus A is 6. But हमने रखा 10 और फिर हमने minus 4 भी रखा A की जगह पर और फिर देखा, so our answer was coming as 14, not as 6. We have to correct the mistake. So अगर ये माइनस हट जाएगा यहाँ पर, this minus from minus 4 will be removed, so the mistake will be corrected, right? Now our answer will come as 6, है ना?
Yeah, ma'am.
So the question is saying that only, mend the mistake. Mistake को ठीक करो. So Diksha, have you understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We
मैम
will-
मतलब क्वेश्चन में कोई भी चीज रॉन्ग दी होगी, हमें बस उसे करेक्ट करना है.
हाँ, उसे करेक्ट करना है चेक कर कर. See,
Okay, ma'am.
we will do 2-3 more questions and you will get how to do it. If D is equals to 6, then 3D is equals to 36. Now check क्या गलती है और कैसे करेक्ट होगी.
मैम
Yes.
मैम हम नीचे की लाइन के 3 को हटा सकते हैं, दो 3 को.
नहीं, आप सिर्फ आंसर जो है 1 मिनट. हाँ, आप आंसर चेंज कर सकते हो, आप उधर वाला 3 नहीं हटा सकते हो.
मैम इसमें ये नहीं समझ आया है कि इसको सॉल्व कैसे करना है.
सी बेटा, एक मेरे से एक गलती हो गई है. वेट, द क्वेश्चन वाज a is equals to -4 and 10 minus a is equals to 6. आपको वो मिस्टेक नहीं ठीक करनी है. यहाँ पर आपको मिस्टेक नहीं ठीक करनी है, आपको आंसर सही करना है. यू हैव टू करेक्ट द आंसर. So just when you will correct the answer, what will be the answer now? Will the answer be 14?
Yes, ma'am.
So you just have to correct the answer. You don't have to change anything over here. That is given correct. Everything is correct. आपको सिर्फ आंसर सही करना है. जो आपका करेक्ट आंसर होगा, you just have to write the correct answer. ठीक है? Understood?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now अब मैं ये वाले क्वेश्चन से भी समझाती हूँ. You will get. See, D is equals to 6 दिया है and 3D को 36 बता रहा है. So if D is equals to 6, then 3 into D. D is how much is D given?
6.
6.
6. So we will do this. Now 3 6 are 36 होता है.
No,
How
ma'am.
much is 3 into 6?
मैम
18.
18.
So you just have to write this ऐसे. बस आपको ये ऐसे लिखना है. That 36 is wrong. ठीक है, 36 is the wrong answer, whereas 18 is the correct answer. You just have to correct the wrong answer, क्योंकि answer wrong दिया है. The all these things are given correctly. You just have to change the answer. समझ आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now
Ma'am, but this question meant the mistake is not in my book.
It must be in your book, beta.
Ma'am, it is on page number 87.
Check page number 87.
Ma'am, we have left something. Revisiting arithmetic expressions and one more.
What have I left?
Ma'am, that after that finding the missing number, no, w minus 1, so after that there is one more thing, that revisiting arithmetic expressions.
Revisiting arithmetic expressions. Beta, there is nothing in this topic. I will explain. ठीक है. At the last, when I finish this chapter, remind me. I will come to this because this is not something आपका कोई question नहीं है इसके related. It is just that आपको वो याद आ जाए कि किस तरह. देखो जो मैंने अभी यहाँ पर बताया है, all that is given in that only, कि आपको ये सारी चीजें जो आप उधर भूल गए हो, आपकी एक algebraic expression करके chapter होगा ना पहले इससे,
अरिथमेटिक एक्सप्रेशंस.
हाँ, अरिथमेटिक एक्सप्रेशंस जो चैप्टर है उसमें जो भी चीजें पढ़ाई गई हैं, इट इज दैट ओनली. सो व्हाट आई विल डू व्हाइल टीचिंग ऑल दिस, मैं उन चीजों का रिवीजन आपको कराती रहूंगी. ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
Okay, ma'am.
आरोही, चेक पेज नंबर 87.
Yes, ma'am, it is there.
हाँ. Now the next question is, if s is equals to 7, then 3s minus 2 is equals to 15. Quickly correct and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is 21. No, ma'am, 19.
Please follow the steps which I am writing. So Diksha, are you not understanding, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा, this is because आपने ये क्लास स्टार्टिंग से करी नहीं है इस चैप्टर की, so you are not getting कि ये S क्या है और ये F और D ये सब क्या है. That is because you have not attended the class. If you will watch the recorded class, you will get it. और बेटा please attend the class regularly, because if you don't attend the class regularly, it is not my problem. I cannot repeat everything every time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so ये वाला समझ आया आरोही and सृष्टि?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. What is the next question? If m is equals to minus 6, then 3m plus 1 is equals to 19. See, every component will be multiplied by 3.
Ma'am, the answer is minus 19.
Wait.
Ma'am, the answer is 19.
Ma'am, the answer is minus 19.
How have you solved it? Tell me, how have you solved?
Ma'am, first 3 multiplied by m means 3 multiplied by minus 6. that is minus 18, then plus 1, so this is minus 19.
Okay, and Srishti, how have you done this one?
Ma'am, I have just multiplied 3 into m, which is 3 into 6, which is 18. So 18 plus 1, we get 19. Ma'am, how we get minus 19?
Anything in the bracket will be solved first. No, how can it be? Yes, how can it be minus 19?
Ma'am, it will be only 19 because 18 plus 1 is equal to 19 only.
Srishti, this is minus 6.
Ma'am, is the answer 21?
बेटा माइनस साइन क्यों बोल रहे हो? फर्स्ट सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट. नाउ अब आई एम टेलिंग यू द न्यू सोल्यूशन. अब लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली. फर्स्ट सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट. माइनस एंड प्लस, व्हाट विल बी देयर? इफ प्लस माइनस है तो क्या होगा?
Ma'am, minus
हाँ, so what is 6 minus 1?
5.
5. And what is the sign with the bigger number?
Minus.
माइनस. तो क्या आंसर होगा? ब्रैकेट का सिर्फ क्या आंसर होगा?
Minus 5.
Minus 5.
minus 5. See beta, if we solve this, minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. 6 minus 1 करेंगे because plus minus is minus, and जो sign बड़े number के साथ होता है, the sign with the bigger number is written with the answer. So हमने minus 5 लिख दिया. अब ये multiply होगा, so this will be minus 15. So the answer is minus 15. Chalo, now I'm erasing the solution, and now I want you all to do it once again by yourself.
Ma'am.
हाँ ma'am.
Nothing, ma'am, nothing.
What happened? Any doubt? Beta, clear it.
मैम कौन सा वाला सॉल्व करना है?
This one. Srishti, do you have any doubt? Please ask.
No, ma'am.
See, the property which I told you just now ना, वो जो मैंने अभी जो छोटा सा पार्ट छोड़ा हुआ है उसमें वो ही बताया गया है. So I am teaching that property while doing the questions. Okay? I have not left anything. I am just teaching while doing the questions. चलो बताओ आंसर आया minus 15.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Diksha, have you got the answer as minus 15? Have you all got the answer as minus 15 for this question?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, now solve this one and check क्या mistake है.
मैम जरूरी होता है कि आंसर इनकरेक्ट ही हो?
Yes बेटा.
मैम जरूरी होता है कि अगर वो सम का आंसर इनकरेक्ट ही हो?
नहीं, जरूरी नहीं होता है। अगर वो सही है तो आप उसको क्यों गलत करोगे?
मैम
मैम
डन।
देयर इज नो मिस्टेक.
There is no
यस मैम।
mistake. Very good. J is 5, so 2 into 5 is 10. Very good. Okay. ये वाला समझ आया? This is a very important question. Have you all understood?
Yeah, ma'am.
यस मैम।
Okay.
Ma'am, can I drink water and come?
हाँ, go quickly. नहीं होगा।
मैम द आंसर इज 17।
Yes.
मैम द आंसर इज 17।
चलो, let's check. If R is 8, then 2R plus 1. Abhi I am doing it directly, but you have to follow the steps.
ओके मैम।
चलो, what सबका आंसर क्या आ रहा है?
मैम 1717। मैम 7।
Srushti, what is your answer coming as?
Ma'am, 7 minus 17.
How minus 17? It is 8 only, not minus 8. So 2 into 8 plus 1. 2 8s are 16 and 16 plus 1 is?
17।
So how come minus 17? What mistake have you done? Check. Srushti, beta क्या हुआ? Tell me, how have you solved?
Ma'am, I had also done the same, but you have written that if R is equal to 8, I wrote that if R is equal to minus 8.
It's okay. Then your answer is correct, but it is 8 only. Okay. See, now we have two variables with us. अब हमारे पास two letters हैं. Variables का मतलब letters होता है, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
If f is equals to 3 and g is equals to 1, what is 2f minus 2g? f की जगह पर 3 रखो और g की जगह पर 1 and check the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is correct.
The answer is correct. Okay.
मैम द आंसर इज 4।
Chalo, let's check. 2 into 2f means 2 into 3 minus 2g means 2 into 1. So 2 3s are 6 and minus 2. Srushti, how are you getting the answer as 2? Again, you have made some mistake. Check. So, Sudiksha,
Ma'am, my answer is also 4.
Sudiksha, what is your answer?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Do.
Minus 2.
Srushti, what happened? Ask me, beta. I'm here only. Ask what are you not getting?
Ma'am, I'm getting 4.
Okay, good.
I didn't understood this. How to do it.
Chalo, I will explain. See, f is given as 3 and g is given as 1. Now you have to put f and g in this equation. आपको f की value इस equation में रखनी है और g की value इस equation में रखनी है, and you have to find the correct answer. Don't get bothered by this 2. ये 2 आपको सिर्फ incorrect answer दिया है. You have to correct this. Don't get bothered by this 2. You just have to solve this and tell the correct answer. See, what is f given as, Srushti?
Ma'am, f is given as 3.
And what is g given as?
Ma'am, g is given as 1.
G is given as 3. Yes. Sorry, 1.
1.
Now you have to put f की जगह पर 3 and g की जगह पर 1. What we will do is, see, when multiplication, जब कोई sign नहीं लगा होता है, that means there is multiplication का sign. So 2, there is no sign over here, right? So with that means that there is multiplication happening between the two numbers. We will put the multiplication sign. 2 into 3 minus 2 into 1. G की जगह पर 1. Now solve. How much is 2 into 3? Board mass. Follow board mass, Srushti. Follow board mass. You first multiply and then subtract. First multiply and then subtract. 2 into 3 is
6.
And then minus, and 2 into 1 is
2.
2. Now you have to subtract. Now 6 minus 2 is
4.
4. Good. अब समझ आया?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, I get the answer 11.
For this one?
Yes, ma'am.
8 plus 3. How come? What are you getting?
Ma'am, 11.
Correct. 11 is the correct answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Do this one, Srushti and Sudiksha, and tell me. Sudiksha has left the class. Okay, Srushti, you do the question and tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
मैं तो जब तक नया तो पागल है थोड़े
Ma'am, the answer is 11.
Okay, good. Now do the 9th one as your homework and tell me if you all are getting the answer or not. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So thank
Okay,
you so
ma'am.
much for joining. Now we will meet on Saturday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. You can leave the class.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay. Good evening, Aisha.
Good evening, ma'am.
Switch on your camera, Aisha.
Yes, ma'am.